Learn how to reveal a text using a mask. This is a simple way to understand how masks work. I will use a red image and place it over the clip. Under the opacity, select the pen tool and make a mask. The shape we created is the only thing that we can see from this layer. If we click invert, is the other way around. Now, let's make a text layer. Press Alt and drag the clip to duplicate it. Select the new layer, then take the pen tool and make a mask around the car. If the mask is close to the back of the car, that is where the text will appear. In front of the car is not that important. Click the stopwatch to make the first keyframe. Move the playhead forward, and then manually move the mask. This way, the text from the second layer will become visible. When you move the mask, Premiere Pro will automatically make new keyframes.